Hey guys, guess what I'm doing? Tonight I am making me some liquid soap, and it's a vegan, no animal fats in this one. I have castor oil, olive oil, rice bran, and apricot oil, and almond oil. And I'm gonna add a bit of mango butter, to after. So I'm just gonna get my lye ready and I'll be back. Okay. So I'm gonna take a temperature reading on my oils and see what's 168, and I think my lye is a little bit too hot, so I'm gonna wait or not. Yeah, that's a little bit too high. I need to come down to 200. So I think my lye is at 229, something like that. I'm gonna strain it. Alright guys, I'm gonna set a timer because this is gonna be my let me check the temperature. This is gonna be, notice I'm not cooking this, I'm just gonna blend up. This is hot temperature liquid soap. It's at 195, which is good. And I'm gonna set the clock here. Let me get some paper. Okay. I might share my recipe with you guys. I don't know yet, because I already have a recipe up. That one is my favorite recipe with the tallow in it. Okay. Okay guys, so I need a new blender, stick blender. So I'll try and see if I could get one on Amazon. But yeah, so I covered this with plastic. It's gel. It's all gel, so it's all done. And I'll just put it in the, I think I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit by putting it back in the crock pot, and add my water to make it the gel that I need. Shower gel. Okay guys, what a night. Bye.